All right, let's dive right in. Today, we are getting into one of the coolest and most talked about topics in crypto, airdrops. We're going to break down exactly what they are, why projects even do them, and, the most important part, how you can actually get in on the action.
I mean, seriously, the whole idea of getting your hands on valuable digital tokens for free? It sounds a little too good to be true, doesn't it? But believe it or not, in the crypto world, this is a very real thing. It's a strategy, and it's called an airdrop. Okay, so first things first, let's really decode what's going on here. What in the world is a crypto airdrop? And maybe more to the point, why would anyone give their stuff away like this?
So to put it super simply, a crypto airdrop is just when a blockchain project decides to hand out its own tokens, totally free, to the wallets of a bunch of different users. You can think of it like a massive promotional giveaway. It's all about kickstarting a new community, or sometimes rewarding one that's already there.
Right, that's the multi-million-dollar question, isn't it? It just feels wrong, like it goes against business sense. But there is a super clear strategy behind all of this. This isn't just about being generous, it's a really smart marketing and growth tactic. So here's the project's playbook, laid out pretty perfectly. First, they attract users. I mean, who doesn't love free stuff? It's a fantastic magnet. Second, all those new users start playing with their products, which is basically free product testing and feedback. Third, all of this interaction creates a ton of buzz and activity, making their whole platform look alive and successful. And finally, they reward the people who are the most active, the most loyal, turning them into real long-term believers. It's actually a brilliant little cycle when you think about it. Okay, so you get the what and the why. Now we get to the really fun part, the hunt. Where do you actually go to find these airdrop opportunities before everyone else does? Your first stop, pretty much always, should be X, what we all used to call Twitter. It's basically the town square for all things crypto. Projects drop their first announcements here, they share all their updates, and they leave little clues all the time. Following the right people is absolutely everything. Next up, Discord. So if X is the town square, think of Discord as the project's private headquarters. This is where the real community lives and breathes, where the deep dive discussions are happening, and where you can get your hands on info that they're not sharing anywhere else. And of course, you can't forget Telegram. A ton of projects and crypto groups have super active channels here. They're constantly sharing news, guides, and that juicy alpha about potential airdrops. It's another must-have for staying in the loop. But wait, the rabbit hole goes even deeper. You can peek at a project's actual code on GitHub to see if they're really building anything. You can join special crypto communities to hear what the experts are whispering about. You can even jump into testnets, which are like beta tests for new blockchains, and help them find bugs. And a huge one is exploring brand new blockchain ecosystems before they blow up. The best rewards are almost always found off the beaten path. So you found the hunting grounds, you know where to look, but that's only like half the battle. Now we've got to talk about the actions you have to take to actually qualify, because projects don't just hand these tokens out to everybody. And here is the most crucial point, so listen up. Projects are looking for real, active users. They want to reward people who are genuinely engaging with their platform, not just some bot or a passive observer. Your activity, that's your ticket in. So what does that activity actually look like? Well, they're tracking a ton of different things. It could be something as simple as just connecting your wallet one time. Or it could be way more involved, like making swaps on their decentralized app. They might reward you for moving assets onto their new blockchain, or for staking your tokens to help keep their network secure, or even for just being a positive, helpful voice in their Discord. Bottom line, the more you authentically use their stuff, the better your chances are. Okay, everybody, let's pause for a sec, because this next part is so important. Because wherever there's free money and opportunity, there are always risks. Scammers absolutely love targeting airdrop hunters, so we need to talk about your defense. Let's call it the shield. I really can't say this enough, your security has to come first. Hunting for airdrops is a blast, but you have got to be careful. Scammers will create fake websites, they'll make fake announcements, all designed to trick you into connecting your wallet so they can drain everything you have. So here are the rules. These are non-negotiable. First, do use a separate wallet for all this airdrop hunting. A burner wallet that doesn't have your main savings in it. And always triple check that you are on the official website. On the flip side, don't ever connect your wallet to some random suspicious website. And most importantly, you know what's coming, never ever share your seed phrase.
that 12 or 24-word phrase is the master key to your entire crypto life. No legitimate project will ever ask you for it. Anyone who does is a scammer. End of story, period. All right, we have covered a lot of ground here. We went from the what and why, all the way to the hunt, the actions, and that all-important safety shield. So, what's the big takeaway here? What's your next move?
See, the real value in this whole game isn't just about the potential for free tokens. It's that hunting for airdrops forces you to explore the absolute cutting edge of the crypto space. It's a totally hands-on way to learn about new tech, new DeFi apps, and new games way before they ever hit the mainstream.
When you're participating, you're not just a user, you're an early explorer. You're a contributor to what the future of the internet might look like. And the next big thing, it's definitely out there, just waiting to be discovered. The only question left is, are you ready to go find it?